I can't remember when I wasn't in love with the idea of owning a old bus converted into an RV. I first saw this PD-4104 in Las Vegas in about 2005. With a little effort, I managed to purchase it and get it back on the road. This bus and I went all over America for about 15 years. It's now in a parking lot in desperate need of restoration. The question is, do I have the physical ability to rise to the challenge of putting this wonderful vehicle back on the road? I'll let you know how it goes. Please like, subscribe, and share. It all helps in the long run.